Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.